So friends, today's question is write a letter to your to the municipal commissioner for road repair in 120 words. So you can start with sender's address, then date, then the municipal commissioner, MCD office, New Delhi, and then you can write subject urgent road repair needed in area. You have to mention area here. Now you can write. Uh, then you have to write, sir or ma'am, I'm writing to bring attention to the deteriorating conditions of road in our locality. The pothole and uneven surface pose a significant risk to commuters and vehicles. Urgent repair is crucial to ensure the safety and smooth flow of traffic. The current state of the roads also affect our daily lives and properties value. I kindly request your prompt intervention in allocating allocating resources for necessary repairs. Your prompt action will be great appreciated by the community. Then you can write yours truly, and then you can write your name and your address. Fine, so that's how you can write this letter. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.